Celibate's pose or Brahmacharyasana is one of the most easiest and important asana in yoga with lots of health benefits. It is also known as the crocodile pose. The name Brahmacharyasana actually comes from Sanskrit words where Brahmacharya means celibate and asana means pose. So combine all the words pronounced as the celibate's pose. Brahmachari people perform this asana to comply with the Brahmachari sadhana. With the practice of this asana, the flow of semen vascular soon becomes upward and the heat of the suture is reduced, making this asana proved to be ultimate beneficial in curing nightmare diseases. Start in Dandasana. Place your hands on the floor on either side of the hips with the fingers pointing forward and the elbows straight. This is a starting position. Adjust the position of the hands until the center of gravity is found. Slowly increase the level of activation throughout the whole body. Spread the shoulder blades, engage the core muscles, knit the rib cage together. Having established this firm foundation, lean the torso forward and thrust the hands firmly onto the floor. Pull the heads of the femurs deeply into the pelvis. Press the big toes together and engage the inside of your quadriceps to encourage a slight inward rotation of the legs. Exhale, using the lower abdominal muscles by engaging the pelvic floor muscles to simultaneously lift the hips, legs, and feet from the floor. In the final position, the whole body is supported and balanced on the hands alone. The legs should be horizontal and straight. Keep the spine and head as straight as possible without strain. Look forward. Engage the abdomen strongly throughout. Hold in the final position for as long as is comfortable, breathing normally. Exhale, lower back down on the ground back to Dandasana. Beginners can practice with the knees bent. While keeping the feet on the floor, the hips are raised and push the back. Inhale, lean forward and exhale, press up onto the hands while keeping the feet on the floor. Next, they can progress with one leg extended out to the front. When you gain more strength on the abdominals, both legs are lifted. Advanced practitioners or even beginners can practice using the block to get the height of the arms. Inhale, press up with the hips raised, step back slightly, adjust the block a bit closer. Bring the arms close towards your thighs. When you exhale, extend the knees out to the front and hold here, breathe. Exhale, lower back down onto the floor.